See the iPhone 16's game-changing battery removal process in new iFixit teardown. Engadget. A teardown by iFixit now shows the new battery removal process in action, and it looks easier than ever. Below are your comments. It's amazing the innovation that can happen when they are sued into submission. Not mentioned in the article. EU recently issued that by 2027 every phone should come with a removable battery. Phone innovation has taken a huge step backwards. Point 1. SD cards have become cheap and huge. Make my phone water resistant but have a partial back cover that will slide off and hold a battery and SD card. Seriously, how tough is that? Nokia had that figured out 20 years ago. It's not the adhesive that's the problem, it's finding a decent new battery that will last and won't cost you an arm and leg. Imagine a battery that can be easily interchanged. This has to be groundbreaking technology. Only the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus have the new adhesive. Does that mean the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Plus don't have it? Why on earth not? Fun uncles could cool first line equals first letter. What I think of the filter for comments. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.